Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Palette Life, and this is SUMA BABU. So if this is your first time here, I have taken up an art challenge, one painting per day for 30 days. So today is the 11th day, so check out my other videos too. And of course, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do so that you get instant notification whenever I post my new videos, since it is daily uploads. So suddenly one thought struck in my mind, so thought of sharing that with you all. So as you all know, life is moment. So when we experience good moments in our life, we feel happy and we say life is beautiful. But this won't be the case always. Little glitches always happens with life. If you give them more importance than they deserve, they will heighten your stress and shorten your life. So focus on the good things which is going to cherish your beautiful moments. So and ignore the rest. Coming back to our art challenge, today I have painted a glass bottle with some honey in it. So the translucent effect of the subject add light and overlay effects to the subject. Normally when I do such kind of painting, I use glazing technique, but today I have done the painting using alla prima technique. I had to hurry up. Hopefully the result is convincing. Now let's see the process of this painting.